In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a portfolio page to your Squarespace website. By the end, you'll have a clean, professional portfolio page set up and ready to showcase your best work. From your site dashboard, start by clicking Website, then click Pages. This takes you into the heart of your site structure, where you can manage everything visitors see in your navigation. Take a moment to look at how your current pages are organized, so you'll know exactly where the new portfolio should appear later. At the top of the Pages panel, click the plus icon. This opens the Page Picker, where Squarespace groups different page types. You'll see a range of options, but for this, head to the Portfolio section. Here, you can browse templates designed specifically for showcasing projects. Each template offers a different layout style. Some emphasize bold imagery, others focus on clean grids or flexible project listings. Choose the one that best fits your brand and the kind of work you want to highlight. Remember, the template is just a starting point. You'll customize it next to make it feel uniquely yours. Once you select a template, Squarespace creates the portfolio page for you. At this stage, it might not be in your main navigation yet, which is perfect for making edits without publishing it front and center. When you're ready for it to be visible, add it to your main navigation. In the Pages panel, place it where you want it to appear so visitors can find it easily, ideally near the top if your portfolio is a key part of your site. Now, edit the template to make it yours. Rename the page to something clear and on-brand, like Portfolio or Work. Open each sample project and replace the demo content with your own images, descriptions, and project details. Keep your titles concise and your descriptions focused on outcomes, tools used, and the value you delivered. Swap in high-quality images that load quickly. Large visuals look great, but compress files so your page stays fast. If your template includes categories or filters, organize your projects consistently so visitors can browse intuitively. Adjust the layout, spacing, and style settings to match your site's look. Colors, fonts, and button styles should align with the rest of your pages for a cohesive experience. As you go, preview your changes and check how everything looks on mobile. And that's all. You've added a portfolio page, placed it in your main navigation, and customized the template so it reflects your work and your brand. Save your changes, publish when you're happy, and your new portfolio is ready to impress.